In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PowerPoint freezing or hanging. So firstly, just open up PowerPoint. So launch PowerPoint, and then once you just open up any PowerPoint project, so for example, like a blank one here. So just open something, and then here, once you're on this screen here, click on the File tab here. Click on the File tab, and from the File on the left side menu from the drop-down list, select Options. Click on Options, and you'll get to this screen here. From the options, you're going to select the Advanced from the left side menu here. Choose Advanced. Click on Advanced, and from the Advanced list here, scroll down until you see the display options. So here, when you see the display options, what you're going to do is you have this option here, disable hardware graphics acceleration. Just tick that box. Okay, so tick that box to disable display hardware acceleration, and then click on OK, and then relaunch the PowerPoint, and it should fix up the issue.